Today, Ava, I and Shashi are at Shadow Lake Nature Preserve's Frolic. It's a fest. It's about wetland conservation. Yes, building awareness among the community about the importance of wetlands and the importance of preserving it. So we are here. It's a Frolic fest. So Ava is having fun. Yes? You like it? Can you say yeah?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Can you show them how many stickers? Look at all the stickers. Yeah? See? We walk along the boardwalk trail and look for clues. So we have to find out all these terms. The first one was animals that live both on land and water, and as you know, it's amphibian. So we're going to look at the top three. The practice of renewing and cleaning up damaged, degraded or destroyed ecosystems in the environment caused by human actions. So it is a 11 letter word. What is it, Shashi? The Shadow Lake has a beautiful history. You see the map up here. So this is the Shadow Lake. This is the bog, and this is where we are actually walking. See the Wetlands trail. You can walk along this trail. Actually, Shadow stands for Save Habitat and Diversity of Wetlands. It was began in 1996. What is this, Nana? Fun. Fun. Careful. What is it, Nana?
Fun.
As we walked along, we could see these boards that have the names of all the native plants. So here it is the stinging nettle. So it's a very wetland specific plant. Beautiful. This is the stinging nettle. A wetland is a very unique ecosystem because it's a meeting place between the land and water, and the nature of water flow, soil and vegetation makes it a unique ecosystem. And this is, as you can see there are different layers, like tall trees and then a little shorter trees and then bushes like these berry plants, and then you would have the ground cover. The dead wood, we might think it's of no use, but I've read that they provide good habitat for several creatures, and as they compost, they provide good food for the soil too. Isn't it wonderful that even a dead tree is so important to the system? Can you?
Jason, Sheffield, and
what else do you see, Eva? Eva, these are berries. Eva, come here. Show me the berries. Can you show me the berries? Who eats the berries, Nana? Birds. Yeah, the birds eat the berries.
So
yeah.
it's like here's some
yeah. And what lives on those tree stumps, Nana?
The
birds. The birds stay on there. Guys, this is the best part of coming here. So as you see around me, this is the bog area. Bogs are one of the 4 types of wetlands found in the United States, the others being marshes, swamps and fens. And the very definitive characteristics of bogs are they're formed in old glacial lakes, they contain evergreen trees and shrubs, and then a thick carpet of sphagnum moss covering the ground. And all 3 of it are applicable to the Shadow Lake Preserve, which is actually a bog wetland. And the Shadow Lake is an old glacial lake. And as you can see, there are evergreen trees and shrubs, and then the sphagnum moss. As you see down below, this is the Sphagnum Peat Moss. The sphagnum moss. This is my first time seeing it, and it's absolutely amazing. So this was quite interesting to learn. This is a western white pine. So these were once an abundant tree here in the Cascade Mountains. Human introduced fungal disease called white pine blister rust, and also because of extensive logging. So, but I think this place, they say it's lucky to have some still standing strong here. You can read this. With climate change, we must watch how the ecosystems want to structure themselves. Otherwise, we may kill them by trying to save them. That was quite interesting to learn.